Today, I'll be showing you guys how to use Siri voice commands to control your LEVOIT Air Purifier via the VeSync app. Now, this might not work with all LEVOIT Air Purifier models, but it does work with a lot. And I have the Core 400S personally, but it does work with other versions as well. So what you will want to do is, I'm going to assume that you already, signed in, downloaded the app, signed up, and whatnot. So after you sign up, you log in, and then after you log in, you simply click on My Scenes, okay? It will be up here, right here. You might not have any, but I have two because I already did this before. So you click on My Scenes, and then what you want to do is click the plus. Yeah, the plus on the top right-hand corner. Yeah, click the plus. Then you want to add a trigger. And the trigger you want to be called manual trigger, okay? So you want it to be manual trigger. And then you want to add an action. And the action, pick the device, okay? Pick your particular device, okay? And then after you pick your device, you'll see the actions here. Like you can change the level, you can turn the display on and off, turn the modes on and off, turn the device on and off itself. So for this, let's say, for example, that we wanted the display on, okay? Then what we would do is we would click next, and then we can choose whatever icon we want, choose a name for the action. I'm just going to name it something gibberish because I'm just showing you guys. And then what we will want to do is click the Add to Siri button. That should appear for you as long as you have an iPhone that can use shortcuts. So you just click Add to Siri, and then for this Siri shortcut, and then click the plus, and then you can rename the shortcut, or rather you can rename the voice command. By default, it uses the name you picked it as the voice command, but you can change the voice command to anything. Then just hit done, and there you go.